Hello everyone, welcome to Rod's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you, you guessed it. Working on an '08 Toyota Scion XB, doing the rear brake pads today. Everybody knows how to get them apart. That's the easy part. Hard part is screwing this caliper back in. 9 times out of 10 it ain't gonna happen. It's a bitch. Excuse my language. I live in Minnesota, so we're all rusted up. First thing I like to do obviously is take it apart, get the caliper, get the rotor, everything off. You can see it's all rusted and everything's crazy. Keep an eye on the brake pads, how they go. That's the metal part here, the noise maker, that goes on the back. That's the back pad. Here's the front pad. Yeah, I waited a little bit too long on this one, started making noise. So anyway, got the rotor off. I'm going to get everything all cleaned. We all know how to do all that. That's the easy part. The hard part is screwing this caliper piston back in. Pain in the ass. 9 times out of 10 you can't do it. So what I like to do is I like to take WD-40. I like to spray it around the rubber, because when you screw it back in, the rubber's rusted to the metal part here, and it gets all bound up. So I don't want that to happen. So I got that all lubed up. Put a little something down so you don't make a mess. Go get yourself a caliper kit here. Works on pretty much anything. Mine's a 4-pin. It's got 4 pins there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 for the piston. So what you want to do is you want to get this bad boy in there, and I'll show you how that's done here quick. So one thing you definitely want to do is you want to throw on some rubber gloves. If you don't mind getting greasy, then don't. This is just a quick video on how to get the piston back in. I'm not going to show you how to do the brakes, because if you're doing a brake job, you already know how to do it. These pistons are a pain in the butt, especially when you live like in the Rust Belt like I do. So you got to get, obviously, you got to get it in there first. I tried shoving that in there. Okay, get it in the 4 pins there. Back it out, just by hand. You don't got to dick around. Now it's clockwise to turn it in, right? And you're like, how the heck am I going to turn it in? It ain't going to happen. There ain't no way to do it. So what I like to do, this is the best hot tip I can give you. I put it down here. I put a bolt in there. You can go this way or this way. It doesn't really matter. We'll try it this way and just see if it's gonna work. So I like to get the caliper held in, because it's almost impossible to hold it and try to turn it at the same time. Sorry about the noise, don't have a cameraman. It's gonna get a little loud here because we're gonna tighten this on quickly. Just snug it up. There, now the caliper's held in there. You don't have to try to hold your hand and try to turn it at the same time. And another thing, look at this thing. Big pile of crap right here. You ain't gonna get no leverage on that. Look at that. It's all bent to you know what. So I like to throw a vice grip. So you got it tight here, so it's ready to go. I throw the handle down like that. Put a vice grip on it, because this tool is cheesy. Yeah, maybe they got better tools, but the one I got, it's a POS. So we'll get you on this side here. So you want to be able to grab it and give it a good crank, you know. Okay, she's moving. Now you ain't gonna do that. You ain't gonna do that with your hand holding onto the caliper. It just ain't gonna happen. It never happens for me. I end up fighting it. So it's a nightmare, man. She's going. Do it till she bottoms out. I don't know, something, you gotta keep adjusting this thing. So, I think I gotta go a little bit more. Get a good snug fit on your vice grip so it doesn't fall off. Keep backing this nut, or this big nut out to keep the tension on it. You just turn it, keep backing it out, you know. Turn back out, otherwise it gets too loose in there. These things are a nightmare. I don't like them. Now I know this is the best hot tip I can give you. I know I've never seen it anywhere on YouTube. So tell your friends, subscribe to the channel. That'll help me grow. So yeah, keep on backing that out so it's nice and tight. I think I got a little bit more to go. I want to show you that rubber boot too. By putting WD-40 on that rubber boot. Okay, that's it. You don't want to force it, you just want to get it turned in the best you can. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you get a chance. Like I say, I've never seen anybody hold the caliper nothing but by hand and they make it look so simple. And then you go ahead and do it and you can't screw it in because there's no way. It's all rusted up. So we'll get this tool out here. Look at that. Look at that rubber. It's perfect. It's not all bound up. Putting a little oil on it ain't gonna hurt it. Just make sure it's in there before you put your pad on. It's in there. So yeah, totally appreciate you guys watching. Just want to make a quick video and show you how it's done, how I do it. I battle these things all the time until I figured out how to secure it. You know, I've tried a lot of different ways. I was almost gonna modify a bracket to the caliper because if you can't hold the caliper and turn it in, you ain't getting your brake job done. This is going to save you time, it's going to save you money. Time is money, right? Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Appreciate you liking, subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment and be safe, especially when you're working on stuff. Wear your safety glasses. Keep your gloves on if you don't want to get all greased up. But hope you're having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.